Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to import contacts from your SIM card on your Samsung phone. So I'll show you the area to do this. It's very easy. Just go down to your phone option right here. Choose this. In the top right, go to the three little dots. Go to Contact Settings. Now under here we can go to Import Contacts. And then you'll have the option for your SIM card in here. You can just choose it. Otherwise, I'm just going to go to my phone. And you can see my internal storage, my SD card, OneDrive, etc. Just go to the location you have your contacts saved. And then you can import them to your phone from your SIM. Right here, it should show up. Otherwise, you have other options on here if you want to import your contacts or get your contacts from a different account. So look at these options in here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.